Should you upgrade to Windows 11? Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money, and today I'm to answer your question. Should you upgrade to Windows 11? Stay on until the end, so that you won't miss a step that will answer your question. Should you upgrade to Windows 11? Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications. To answer that question well is to first consider the feature-specific requirements for Windows 11. With Windows 11 everyone has open permission to run the best extent of utilizations on Windows, engaging all architects to create the applications and experiences that empower customers to make, learn, and play. Windows 11 feature-specific requirements include the following. 5G support requires a 5G-capable modem. Auto HDR requires an HDR monitor. BitLocker to go requires a USB flash drive, available in Windows Pro and above editions. Client Hyper-V requires a processor with second-level address translation (SLAT) capabilities, available in Windows Pro and above editions. Cortana requires a microphone and speaker and is currently available on Windows 11 for Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, United Kingdom, and the United States. Direct storage requires an NVMe SSD to store and run games that use the standard NVMe Express controller driver and a DirectX 12 GPU with shader model 6.0 support. DirectX 12 Ultimate is available with supported games and graphics chips. Presence requires a sensor that can detect human distance from the device or intent to interact with the device. Intelligent video conferencing requires a video camera, microphone, and speaker. Audio output. Multiple voice assistant, MVA, requires a microphone and speaker. Snap 3-column layouts require a screen that is 1920 effective pixels or greater in width. Mute, unmute from taskbar requires a video camera, microphone, and speaker. Audio output. The app must be compatible with features to enable global mute, unmute. Spatial sound requires supporting hardware and software. Teams require a video camera, microphone, and speaker. Audio output. Touch requires a screen or monitor that supports multi-touch. Two-factor authentication requires the use of a PIN, biometric, fingerprint reader or illuminated infrared camera, or a phone with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth capabilities. Voice typing requires a PC with a microphone. Wacom Voice requires a modern standby power model and microphone. Wi-Fi 6E requires new LAN IHV hardware and driver and a Wi-Fi 6E capable AP/router. Windows Hello requires a camera configured for near-infrared, ear, imaging or a fingerprint reader for biometric authentication. Devices without biometric sensors can use Windows Hello with a PIN or a portable Microsoft-compatible security key. Windows Projection requires a display adapter that supports Windows Display Driver Model, WDDM 2.0 and a Wi-Fi adapter that supports Wi-Fi Direct. Xbox app requires an Xbox Live account, which is not available in all regions. Language versions. Windows 11 has several languages that include Arabic, Saudi Arabia, Bulgarian, Bulgaria, Chinese, PRC, Chinese, Taiwan, Croatian, Croatia, Czech, Czech Republic, Danish, Denmark, Dutch, Netherlands, English, United Kingdom, English, United States, Estonian, Estonia, Finnish, Finland, French, France, French, Canada, German, Germany, Greek, Greece, Hebrew, Israel, Hungarian, Hungary, Italian, Italy, Japanese, Japan, Korean, Korea, Latvian, Latvia, Lithuanian, Lithuania, Norwegian, Bokme-ynl, Norway, Polish, Poland, Portuguese, Brazil, Portuguese, Portugal, Romanian, Romania, Russian, Russia, Serbian, Latin, Serbia, Slovak, Slovakia, Slovenian, Slovenia, Spanish, Spain, Spanish, Mexico, Swedish, Sweden, Thai, Thailand, Turkish, Turkey, Ukrainian, Ukraine. System requirements. These are the crucial necessities for installing Windows 11 on the PC. In case your device doesn't meet these necessities, you will not be able to present Windows 11 on your machine and should think about purchasing another PC. In the event that you are questioning whether your PC meets these essentials, you can check with your PC original equipment manufacturer, OEM. Then again, if your machine is as of now running Windows 10, you can use the PC Health Check application to review similitude. Processor, 1 GHz, GHz, or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip. SoC. RAM, 4 GB, GB. Storage, 64 GB or larger storage device. Note, see below under more information on storage space to keep Windows 11 up to date for more details. System firmware, UEFI, secure boot capable, TPM, trusted platform module, TPM, version 2.0. Graphics card, compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver. Display, high definition, 720p, display that is greater than 9 diagonally, 8 bits per color channel. So after knowing the feature-specific requirements for Windows 11, you are now in the best possible position to answer your question. Should you upgrade to Windows 11? However, if you want to know more about your PC or laptop with no-cost strategies or tips, I have included recommended videos for you in the description box to help you with your PC or laptop's performance. Comment anything that you didn't understand, so that I can make a video about it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications.